Thick. I like them light. You see? Light. This is, they have this. And I like them long. I don't like them like up here. I like them all the way down here.
Okay.
And I don't like them expensive. I like them like $2, $3. Most expensive would be $5.
Have you tried that jewelry and handbag outlet next to Tractor Supply Company?
Yeah, I've been there, but I haven't been there in a while. I usually go there. But this I got from Ross. From my sister-in-law.
Jude is reading the
Have you
advertisement
ever
to
bought
us.
dresses there? They got pretty cool stuff there.
Where? Ross?
Ross.
I don't think I've ever been.
Really? Right beside TJ Maxx?
Mm-mm.
That's some kind of a... Yay. Oh, shoot, I forgot to get Jessica stuff.
Read it to me. Read it to me.
Get some,
Read it to me.
call it.
That's also a new lovely habit of his.
Yeah, I was also gonna get some. Oh! Wow.
Jude, who is it? Is that Mama? Mama?
You can't show me in the video.
Mama? Is that Mama? Jude.
Yeah. What can I do with the battery? I just took it away from you and did something with it. Uh-oh. Think I threw it in the trash can?
Possible.
That would be weird. Why would I do that?
Do you want your pacifier? Is your throat hurting again? Jude has a fever and a sore throat today.
You know, it's really possible that